We select the left panel, select by pressing Ctrl A all the files in the left panel. Next we click on the rename button to open the advanced rename tool. The rename tool uses a rename mask. Each number represents a part of the new file name. For instance, 1 represents the old file name or the current file name, 2 the counter to be used, 3 the substring to be used, 4 the date field to be used, for instance created, modified, accessed, or the date picture taken, and you can use a certain format. 5 represents a text, any phrase you want to add to the new file name. 6 represents the country, the picture was taken. 7 the city, the picture was taken. 8 the street, the picture was taken. And 9 the formatted address, the picture was taken. When you rename MP3 files, you can use A for the song title, B for the artist, C for the album, D for the genre, and E for the year. You can also replace text in the old file now with a new phrase or text part. You can set the case of the new file name to lowercase, uppercase, capitalize the first word or capitalize each word, and when you use capitalize each word you can set a separator to be used to identify each word. Well, we have a new template. By pressing the plus you get a new record of the template table. We're gonna rename the pictures using the street name, or the date maybe is nice. Start with the date, then the city the picture was taken, and then the street the picture was taken, and we'll use a counter. So the description is date, city, street, counter. And how we will set this mask? Well, first we're gonna set the date. So we enter here a 4, because 4 represents the file name. We use the date the picture was taken, and we're gonna set a certain string the picture was taken, and we will add this, for instance the day, and we start with the year, and immediately you see the year into the new file name 2009. We add a space and we'll use the month the picture was taken, and this is in Dutch, but you see the name of the month in your own language. We will add the date, and now we will add the city, and the city is represented by the 7. We add the 7. This picture is taken in San Francisco, and we'll add the street, and street is represented by 8. But this is not very nice. We're gonna change some to make it a bit nicer. So we will add here the word on the, and then we have to add here the 5 in the mask, and now you get taken the year 2009 in June on a Monday in San Francisco on the Golden Gate Bridge. And next we add a counter. Explain it once more. The 4 represents the date, and we make the date, we generated the date by using this format string representing the year, the long month, and the long day. So we'll get 2009 June and Monday. Next we will have used this, the 7 represented the city, in this case San Francisco. We use a new phrase to add, and the phrase is on the, and we use the 5 to get it into the new file name. We add a 5 here. Next we'll get the street represented by 8. In this case it will show the Golden Gate Bridge, and we add the 2 and that represents the counter. You can change the digits. For instance, you see them change in the picture, or you will set them back to, well, in this case 4. Well, I think it's quite a new, a nice name. And next we click rename. And this, we don't want to rename the thumb, so we'll skip it and close it once more. Well, and now we have a look at the new file names. Okay, that looks nice. All the pictures are renamed to a meaningful new file name. You can see pictures were taken in Amsterdam, and well, we'll have a look at the one taken on the Golden Gate Bridge. We click on Viewer or F4. Next, the image viewer will be opened, and in the first panel the image will be shown. In the EXIF, with all the details of the EXIF of the picture will be shown, the IPTC values will be shown, and a nice feature, the map will be shown. And here you will see where the picture was taken on the Golden Gate Bridge, and we'll click on Street View, and immediately you have a tour on the Golden Gate Bridge. And this is a really nice thing if you want to have a picture shown to your friends when you have been on holiday. Okay, that's it.